I'm MK, and I'm here with Miss Hamilton, and I had a few questions about the bowling team today. Okay, so first things first, can you tell us how the bowling team started?
So last year was the first year. It was a girls only team. We had about 7 girls. You need 5 to play. We played probably 20 games and we won like 8, so it wasn't bad.
Okay,
And this year we're gonna have a boys team as well.
okay,
Typically, like our home court is AMF Stardust right in Grove City. So it's
okay,
like 15 minutes away. But if it's an away game, it depends on where their home court is. So we played like Ballot or the Palace. We've played in Hilliard. We played at the game, which is right over here. But mostly at AMF.
okay. What made you want to start coaching for this?
Just seems cool. I think the idea of going hanging out at a bowling alley for a couple hours every day, bowling for free, sounds kind of fun. And it's, I think, a sport where even if you've never bowled, you can join it. You don't have to have really any skills to start. So it's like a different team sport, but also kind of individual as well.
Mhm. Have you ever played yourself?
Nah, just for
No.
fun. I mean, I've bowled in my life, but
Hmm.
not too good.
Okay. Is when does the season officially start?
It's a winter sport, so it's the same as basketball and wrestling. Usually, we will probably have open bowling, maybe the start of October,
Mhm.
and then tryouts will be either mid October or start of November. But it's a winter sport, so like November to maybe mid February, beginning of March.
Okay. How can students get involved?
I would just pay attention to the school announcements or flyers around the building for open bowling. Come to that. Um, Ideally, we'd like to have tryouts depending on how many people come. I mean, if 5 people show up, that's our team. Those are the 5 people.
Mhm.
But if 20 people show up, then we'd like to have tryouts. But to get involved, yeah, just pay attention to school announcements. Look out for flyers. You can ask me or email Miss Patterson. But I'd say around mid October, start paying attention for that.
What are some goals for the season?
We would like to win more games. I think, like I said, we won about 8 last year. I think it'd
Mhm.
be cool if we went over 500. And then, really, for each individual bowler, just get better. Whatever you start the season bowling at, hopefully, you can go up by 30, 40 points per game.
All right. All right. Thank you, Miss Hamilton.
Yep, thank you.
MK here with the sports broadcasting, and I'm here with Tally. And can I ask you a few questions about the bowling team?
Yes, you can.
All right. First things first. Some of your experiences with the bowling team last year.
Some of my experiences with the bowling team last year was we got to get out of school early, and I got to make new friendships with new girls, and we got to go against a whole bunch of different teams, and we got to make new bonds with the coaches, and it was a lot of fun.
My next question: what made you want to join the bowling team?
What made me want to join the bowling team is I wanted to make new friends and learn a little bit more about bowling because, I was a little rusty. So after I got done on the bowling team, I was actually pretty mid.
What are some of the highlights from last year?
Some of my highlights from last year was me being the top bowler on our bowling team, bonding with the team, and when we would win, we would have a great ride back home, and it was definitely lit and turned.
And how many games did y'all win, and what are some of your goals for the next year?
We won like 6, 7. My goals for next year is for us to win even more and get a bigger team. So y'all come out and support the bowling team. Definitely join.
6'7", I just been right on the highway.